Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Turn Personal Hotspot on in the iPhone settings and note the hotspot name and password. On Windows 11, make sure Wi-Fi is enabled and you can access the network icon in the taskbar. Once done, move both devices close together so signals are strong and disable airplane mode if active. Now, click the network icon to reveal available networks. This is the first actionable step toward pairing the devices via Wi-Fi. On Windows, find the iPhone SSID in the Wi-Fi list and click it. This is where you execute the connection. Enter the hotspot password precisely because a single character mistake prevents access. After authentication, Windows asks if you want to allow file and printer sharing on this network. Choose Yes to mark it as private when you trust the phone. Make sure the connection status changes to connected. If it stays at limited, retry the password and toggle the iPhone hotspot off and on. Finish by verifying internet access. Open a browser and load a page or run a simple ping. If pages fail to load, first toggle the iPhone's cellular data off and on, then reconnect from Windows. Make sure Personal Hotspot shows connected devices on the iPhone. If problems persist, restart both devices. As a final troubleshooting step, reset network settings on the iPhone or run the Windows Network Troubleshooter. That usually clears lingering configuration issues and restores connectivity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.